Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about what is a track and trace system. A complete overview. Let's jump right into it. What is a track and trace system? A complete overview. In today's global supply chain, maintaining visibility over products from the manufacturing floor to the final consumer is essential. A track and trace system offers the ability to do just that. Track the journey of products at every stage and trace their origins back if necessary. This system ensures that companies can monitor their products in real time, ensuring transparency, efficiency, and safety. Key components of a track and trace system. A track and trace system comprises various technologies and processes aimed at providing end-to-end visibility across the supply chain. The system's essential elements include identification mechanisms. Every product or package is assigned a unique identifier, often in the form of barcodes, QR codes, or RFID tags, to allow for easy tracking. Data capture technologies. These include scanners, RFID readers, GPS devices, and IoT sensors that collect real-time data on the location and condition of products. Data management software. A centralized database or cloud platform that stores and manages all tracking data. It allows for the analysis and generation of reports on product movement. Integration with supply chain systems. Track and trace systems often integrate with other enterprise resource planning, ERP, or warehouse management systems, WMS, to provide seamless visibility and analytics. Security features. Encryption, blockchain, or other security protocols ensure the integrity of the data and prevent tampering or fraud. Benefits of a track and trace system. Improved transparency and accountability. Track and trace systems ensure that every movement of a product is recorded, making it easier to pinpoint where errors occur. This transparency builds trust between manufacturers, distributors, and customers, as everyone can access reliable data on product location and condition. Compliance with regulations. In many industries, particularly pharmaceuticals and food, strict regulations demand product traceability. Governments and regulatory bodies require businesses to show the journey of products from origin to end user. Track and trace systems help companies comply with these requirements by providing an auditable trail of data. Enhanced recall management. In the event of product defects or contamination, track and trace systems make it easy to identify and isolate affected batches quickly. This minimizes the scope of product recalls, reducing financial losses and protecting brand reputation. Increased efficiency and reduced costs. Track and trace technology optimizes supply chain operations by reducing manual processes, improving inventory accuracy, and cutting down on lost or misrouted shipments. Businesses can monitor product flows in real time, which enhances forecasting and operational planning. Protection against counterfeiting. Counterfeit products, especially in the pharmaceutical and luxury goods industries, pose significant risks to consumers and businesses alike. By tracing products through every point in the supply chain, companies can ensure the authenticity of their goods, protecting their brand and preventing counterfeit distribution. Use cases across industries. Pharmaceuticals. The pharmaceutical industry heavily relies on track and trace systems to meet strict regulatory requirements like the Drug Supply Chain Security Act, DSCSA. These systems help monitor drugs from production to distribution, ensuring that counterfeit or expired medicines are not circulated in the market. Food beverage. In the food industry, track and trace systems are vital for ensuring food safety. They help trace the source of contamination in case of foodborne illness outbreaks, ensuring a quick and effective recall process. Automotive manufacturers use track and trace to monitor the flow of parts, ensuring that all components are genuine and certified. This is essential for quality control and avoiding recalls due to faulty parts. Electronics. With complex supply chains, the electronics industry relies on track and trace systems to manage the movement of components through various manufacturing stages and across borders, ensuring compliance with international trade regulations. Retailers, especially e-commerce companies, use track and trace to provide consumers with real-time updates on product delivery, enhancing customer satisfaction and reducing inquiries on shipping statuses. The role of technology in track and trace advances in IoT, Internet of Things, blockchain, and AI, artificial intelligence, are further revolutionizing the capabilities of track and trace systems. IoT devices can collect and relay data about environmental conditions like temperature or humidity, critical for industries like food or pharmaceuticals. Blockchain technology ensures tamper-proof recording of transactions, adding an extra layer of security. AI can analyze tracking data to predict potential disruptions in the supply chain, allowing for proactive measures to be taken. Implementing a track and trace system. To implement a robust track and trace system, businesses must define their unique tracking needs and compliance requirements. Choose the right technology that integrates well with their existing infrastructure. Train staff to ensure proper use of the system and data interpretation. Ensure data security and compliance with privacy regulations. Conclusion. In an era where supply chain transparency is not just desired but often mandated, track and trace systems have become a critical tool for businesses. From enhancing customer trust to ensuring regulatory compliance, the benefits of these systems span across multiple industries. As technologies like IoT and blockchain evolve, track and trace solutions will only grow more sophisticated, driving better visibility, efficiency, and control over supply chains globally. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.